Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. How are you doing today? So today we are going to make chicken drumsticks in our air fryer lid, which we bought from Instant Pot. So what we are going to do is we are going to preheat it. So on air fryer mode, 400 Fahrenheit, and I'm going down to 10 minutes and I'm going to start it. So it is started and it's going to be preheating for 10 minutes. So what we are going to do is we just took the chicken drumsticks. These are from Trader Joe's and around 10 pieces of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start coating it with some spices. I'm just taking all the drumsticks and I'm going to coat it with 1 teaspoon of paprika, some oregano, some pepper, half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can see I have kept half a teaspoon of every ingredient, so that we are going to put it in our buttermilk. So I'm just going to coat every chicken piece nicely and I'm going to keep it aside. You can see everything is coated perfectly. If you wish, you can just slit it. I'll show you how. I'm going to slit it carefully. You can slit every chicken piece. These we are going to try to make KFC style chicken, and I'm just going to cut every piece. So in the same bowl, since we don't want to waste the spices, I'm taking 1 cup of yogurt. This is little bit of sour yogurt, and to that I'm adding 1 cup of water. So we have to make buttermilk. I'm just going to season this buttermilk so we can dip the chicken in it. So in it I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt to taste, just some oregano, some paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and some chili flakes. So our buttermilk is ready. I'm going to take 1 plate and I'm going to take 1 cup of all-purpose flour. These are 3 tablespoons of rice flour, some black pepper in it, and some salt to taste. Just a quick stir. Now what we are going to do is we are going to dip the chicken drumsticks in the seasoned buttermilk and dip it in the all-purpose flour mixture. Dip it again and repeat the same procedure and keep it aside. I'll show you for one more chicken piece. If you want, you can marinate these drumsticks in this buttermilk up to 3 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. We are doing it in air fryer, so even if you don't marinate it, it's okay. I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 3 to 4 tablespoons of rice flour, but if need be, I'm going to take some more flour. So the fryer is preheated for 10 minutes. I'm going to just spray some oil in it, and I'm going to put the drumsticks. You can see how many you can fit into one. I think we can fit 3, 4 in it. And I'm going to spray more oil on it. I'm putting back the lid. Air fry 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. You know what, we can go 25 minutes and we'll see. So halfway through, the Instant Pot air fryer prompted me to turn the food. I'm just going to turn it around. And I'm going to just spray some more oil. Put the lid back. And it just starts on its own. I don't have to do anything else. It's all done. Let's see how do they look. They look perfectly done. Nice and juicy. I'm going to sprinkle some lemon juice on it, and we are all done with very less oil. We didn't even fry them, but they are still perfect juicy chicken drumsticks are ready to go.